So your iMessage isn't working properly. That's why you're here. Well, I'm Sherry with WhistleOut TV, and I'm going to help you fix that problem and get your iMessage back up and running in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert. So in general, you know your iMessage is broken or not working properly when you have an iPhone and you're texting someone else with an iPhone, but the messages you send are turning up the dreaded green. We hate the green bubble. So how do we fix that? Well, there are a few easy solutions. I'm going to walk you through them one by one. Let's start with the first one, which is pretty simple. The first solution is to just check your network connection. Because iMessages send over internet or Wi-Fi connections versus SMS text messages get sent over cellular connections, when you change your location or connect to Wi-Fi or make sure you have better service, then you should have your iMessages working properly again. I know that when I'm in the mountains or in an area where service isn't great, my iMessages will send as SMS messages instead because that's just what the bandwidth can handle. So keeping in mind, if that's the case, until you're able to relocate, your messages will probably still send as SMS green bubble messages. Now, if that's not the case, if you have great service and your iMessages are still sending as a green bubble, well then let's try this fix. What you can do is go to the settings on your phone, tap settings, select messages, toggle off iMessages, turn your iPhone off completely, turn your phone back on, go back to settings, click messages, and toggle iMessage back on, and that should fix the problem. There is no better fix than turning something on and off again. So this should do the trick. Now, if that doesn't work, well, then we have another fix for you. Let's get to it. Now, look, there are a handful of other things you can do to try and fix iMessage. I'm going to link a guide for you right up here to help you walk you through some more steps. But some other things, some simple things you can do is sign in and out of your iCloud or Apple ID, and sometimes that can fix the problem. The other thing that I would highly recommend doing is making sure your device is up to date with the newest software upgrades. Sometimes not upgrading to the newest software can cause other kinks to happen inside of the cell phone, so always upgrade to the newest software. And lastly, I hate this option, but you may just need to contact Apple support in person at a store or calling them. I know no one likes to do this, but if your iMessage isn't working properly after all of these options and all these steps that I've shown, then this might be the next best thing. They'll be able to properly and professionally diagnose and then fix the problem. Thanks for watching WhistleOut TV, how to fix your iMessage. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if this video helped you out at all. See you soon. Bye-bye.